This question says if one of the roots of this equation, this quadratic equation, is 7 times the other, and we have to get the value of k. Now, first thing that you need to do is to write this equation in the standard form. As you can see, it is not in the standard form. So when written in the standard form, this equation turns out to be 3x square on transposing 8x on the left hand side will get minus 8x, and so will be the constant term, which is minus times 2k plus 1 equal to 0. This equation has now become in the standard form. Now when we read further, it says that one of the root is 7 times the other. So we can say that, say alpha, let's say alpha is alpha, then beta will be what? Beta is 7 times the alpha. So that is 7 alpha. Now the first relation we can use here as the sum of the roots. Sum of the zeros or sum of the roots here is obtained as minus b by a. From the question it is clear, this is minus b and this is minus of minus 8 is positive 8. That's minus of minus 8 is positive 8 minus b by a. And we can replace this beta with 7 alpha. That way we get this as alpha plus 7 alpha is equal to 8 by 3. That is 8 alpha is equal to 8 by 3. On simplification, we can get alpha as 1 by 3. Now we got the value of alpha, and so we can get beta also. As you can see here, that beta is 7 times alpha. So we can say beta is 7 times alpha. So that is 7 by 3. So once we get the values of alpha and beta, we can use the second relation here between the alpha beta, that is product of the zeros, is c by a. So this is c along with the sign, and a is 3. So c, which is minus bracket 2k plus 1 upon a is 3. Now we can plug in the values of alpha and beta, as we have already calculated alpha here and beta here. So I'm placing these values of alpha and beta, alpha being 1 by 3 and beta as 7 by 3 is equal to, opening the bracket, minus 2k minus 1 upon 3. We can reduce this first and then do cross multiplication to get the value of k. So it's going to be, by cross multiplication, 3 into 2 is 6 and 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to 7. So minus 6k, on transposing 3 on the other side, it is 10. That implies k is equal to minus 10 by 6, which can further be written as, this is 2 5 times into 3 times. So k is equal to minus 5 by 3. So this should be the answer.